Hey guys, today we are going to be unboxing and setting up this package right here, which contains a weather radio. But you know what weather radio? That's right, the Eton ZoneGuard, right over here. So, I just opened that one up. I got some AA batteries with me, just in case we need to do some stuff. Just in case we need to put in some batteries. But we got this new in box, so what we can do first is to take off the tape. There you go. And all I have to do is just open this up and come out here. And inside here is this thing. Oh, you can mount it. Oh, that's the stand for it. Okay. Here's your AC adapter right here. Here's your manual. Quite small for a weather radio. And inside here is the weather radio itself. Alright, we're going to put the stand in here. And it would look exactly like this with the stand. Now, let's open up. Looks like we only need 3 AA batteries. These AA batteries have been used, but they haven't run out yet. So, I'm going to plug this in. It's probably going to turn on by now. And there's your time right up here. Set up time. I don't think we need to do that. Might as well plug it in. Set up alarm, alert, siren. Voice, that's what we need. Voice. County, we'll do all counties right here. Defeat siren. That is going to tell you what alerts you do or do not want to be alerted of. Meanwhile, we'll just do let that up for now. And this thing has an antenna inside, and this thing has a light that lights up of impending alerts. So this thing over here will light up during any alerts. So, yeah, I'll also use this AC adapter to plug it in. And I might find a spot for that, like in the bottom shelf for my weather radio collection. So, yeah, that was just a quick, might as well set up the time. That's all we need. Alright, let's see what time it is. We'll just say it's 11 p.m. 3. And then put up to 41. There you go. There you go. Now it says 3:41. We don't need to set up an alarm. Voice. County, all counties. Defeat siren. Oops. Administrative message. Enable. Avalanche warning, definitely enable. Avalanche watch or warning. Boil water warning. Blizzard warning, definitely enable that. Child abduction emergency. Coastal flood warning. Watch or coastal flood warning. Dam watch. practice demo. I'll enable that. Dust storm warning. Enable. Evacuation watch. Flash flood watch. Flash flood warning. Or flash flood statement. Flood watch. Flood statement. Flood warning. Flood statement's actually been renamed flood advisory. So, flash freeze warning. Freeze warning. Hurricane statement. Hurricane watch. High wind warning. Iceberg warning. National audible test. National periodic test. National silent test. Power outage advisory. Required month. Oh, it's enabling everything here. Okay, then if it's enabling everything around here, we'll disable that. Disable we don't need any of those transmitter things. Wildfire warning, winter storm watch, and warning. I think that is it for defeat siren setup time. And yeah, that is the setup for Eton ZoneGuard weather radio right here. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I also forgot, it also came with this quick start guide, which is much bigger than the manual, for both, I think, French and English, and Spanish. But yeah, that concludes this Eton ZoneGuard weather radio unboxing. Hopefully you liked the video. Like and subscribe. That's it.